If you want to tune a Dodge HEMI engine, then this worked example is going to be perfect for you. You'll learn a complete step-by-step process to approach tuning your engine, regardless whether it's naturally aspirated, supercharged, stock, or modified. You'll learn a simple 6-step process you can apply to tuning your Dodge engine that'll ensure you achieve maximum power and torque while ensuring great drivability and, most importantly, reliability. Next, you'll learn about torque-based tuning and how this differs from a conventional ECU. You'll learn about the torque model and which tables you'll need to alter to ensure you achieve the power and torque that your engine can provide. You'll also learn how to properly calibrate Dodge's artificial neural network to correct fueling errors using HP Tuner's neural network trainer. Until now, tuners have been fixing fueling errors by fudging the fuel mass tables. You'll also learn how to use a scanner along with the provided logger setup file to log the engine operation to quickly optimize the neural network. Next, you'll learn how to control and optimize the fuel delivery and ignition timing, as well as how to know when your engine is knocking and how to prevent that knock occurring. You'll even have access to a simple spreadsheet to convert Dodge's fuel-air ratio numbers that aren't that intuitive to most tuners into air-fuel ratio numbers that you can understand and manipulate. This spreadsheet will also let you quickly generate the right values to paste back into your calibration to get your fueling exactly where you want it. For this worked example, we're using a 2020 Dodge Challenger RT shaker fitted with a 5.7 litre HEMI V8. However, this worked example will be totally applicable to a wide range of late model Dodge vehicles. We also demonstrate the tuning process using the popular HP Tuner's tuning software. If you'd like to find out more, click the link to start tuning your Dodge today.